For this video, we're going to have fun with flashes and splashes. We're going to look at some slow speed synchronization. So I have it set to the rear sync on the shutter, so the flash will fire at the end of the exposure. I have an ND filter on to make sure it will fire at a slow shutter speed, even outdoors. I'm going to shoot between the 1/8 of a second and a 15th of a second. Let's see what we can get done. I tried using a slower shutter speed to give some intentional blur with the rear sync flash and got some interesting results. Notice I don't have the off box on. I kept the soft boxes off because that would lose several stops of intensity. I wouldn't get as much power that way. So I'm shooting just through the bare bulb, through the metal reflectors to try to give it the most intensity as possible. I then tried to use the flash to freeze the action by going and changing the settings to a much faster shutter speed. Because I have the ND filter on, I was able to still shoot and overpower the sun with a full powered flash to give an action freezing burst of light regardless of a fairly slow shutter speed of 1/60th.
I hope you guys enjoy this video.